ka rai ban Shong jong MP ka seng Voice of the People Party VPP Dr. Ricky Andrew Jesinkon Hapadeng Halok Sabha klem da penya so shikaliang sinchar kata ka kenhon National Democratic Alliance NDA badru shika India Bloc ka kenhon jong kaliang persya kalapli lat yaute nong mi khmat ban yo ban kren persya yakanu kunu ka seng san perthai ka jinyo lat jong u ban kentho ka BJP ka balam khmat ka NDA bat persya ka Congress ka balam khmat ya ka India Bloc ka de ka sngi ka bau yang ningkong ban kren na parliament haka yeng ka bakhat pra jong ka Lok Sabha kata haka shiterik unaitung arajar pusaw haka motion ka ba ai khublei ya ka jingkren ka president ka bau lakren halor ka mat jong ka jingye ka ja Khappud Hapadeng ki nong Shong ka Meghalaya ki bidi ginong India bat ka Bangladesh haba ai jingkren ula ong ba Haduh menta ka ni ka mat ka dei ka bla ya te ki pho snem Naduh ka jingsen shar ka Sorkar ka bla dep ka ta ka Congress bat ka badang yai beteng Haduh ka ni ka khilem mat haka jingsen shar ka Sorkar ka bamita ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ya ka ba Haduh menta umpatla satya ban penbait yauniu put usam uniu MP batumai na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency habara ya ka ni ka mat ula pensngau ya ka jingye ka ba ki rulum ki ba Shong basa Khappud ki haban mat namar ka jingbam la jang ka Sorkar ban penbait yau put usam bat ban benrap ba ki rulum ki ba Shong basa Khappud Haduh menta ki dap daga jing Syier bat ong rup babon ki jaka ki baki long try ki la shaklun lut hakinong Bangladesh daga ba penpau ba kane ka jing ka ja Khappud ka dei namar ka jing bom shum kya jong ka Sorkar ka bla lek ka Congress bat ka Sorkar ka menta ka BJP na lor ka taw la kentu ka Sorkar bakan shim kya ya kane ka mat ka bla sa menta ki post nem khnang bakan wan ra no ka Shongsuk Shongsngan na ka menta ki rulom ki ba Shong basa Khappud.
I would like to remind the government of the day and also the government of the past, led by the Congress government, that our people, my people, living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you till today, they don't feel safe at all. They feel very threatened, and what is even sad is that the lands have been taken away from them, they've lost their livelihood. Why? Because of the failure of subsequent governments to settle this dispute, which has been there for many, many years. We talk about development of the nation. That is dependent on the development of the states. That is what even our Honorable Prime Minister said these words. Now, how can we talk of development when people till today, till this very moment, are yearning for peace? I therefore urge the government to kindly take up this matter seriously, and I wish and I hope that the Prime Minister himself will take the lead in putting an end to this long pending issue in the interests of our great nation in general and in the interests of my people, especially those living in the border areas.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut ped ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.